Hello students, I am teaching now chapter 4 materials, metals and non-metals. We see many things around us. Some materials are solid, shiny and hard. Some are soft, rough and brittle. Here brittle means it can change into powder form. Let's start. Physical properties of metals. First, physical condition. You must have seen, felt and touched many things around you, such as iron, jewelry, steel, gold, etc. They are all made of solid metal. Most metals are solid at normal temperature. Mercury is the only metal which is liquid state at room temperature. Second characteristics is color. Most of metals are colored or gray color. Next characteristics is luster. Luster means shine. Metals have special shine which is called metallic luster. Some examples are gold, silver, copper, etc. Hardness. All metals have different hardness. Iron is hard metal. Sodium and potassium are soft metals which can be cut just like wax. Next characteristic is sound. When you strike steel things, metal coin, school bell, they produce metallic sound. This characteristic is called sonorous. Due to this, metals are used to make bells and musical instruments. You must have today's topic, density. Metals have more density. Let's understand this fact. You take a bucket filled with water. Now put a iron nail or steel spoon in bucket. After some time, you will observe that these metal things heavier than water, so sink into water. So metals have more density. Next topic is melting point. The melting point of substance is the temperature at which a solid change into liquid state. Mostly metals are hard, so they have high melting points. For example, iron, helium melt by keeping on the palm easily. Some metals like iron, aluminium, copper are used made cooking utensil because these metals are good conductor of heat. Next topic is malleability. The quality of metals in which they beaten by hammer to change into sheets. Next topic is metals are good conductor of electricity because they can flow electric current in them. For example, silver is the best conductor of electricity. Next topic is tensility. The quality of metals in which they can be changed into wire on stretching is called tensility. Physical characteristics of non-metals. Let's start. First topic, physical condition. Non-metals are divided into three types at normal temperature. First, solid. Example are carbon, sulfur. Second state, liquid. For example, bromine. Third state, gas. For example, oxygen and nitrogen etc. Second characteristic of non-metals is hardness. Generally, non-metals have softness. For example, sulfur can be cut by knife, but diamond is hard but is non-metal. Third topic is luster. Non-metals are not shiny. Diamond and iodine are shiny. They are exceptions because they have luster. Next topic is color. Non-metals are present in different colors. For example, sulfur in yellow color, chlorine gas have green yellow. Next characteristics is sound. Non-metals do not produce sound by strike. Next characteristic is melting point. Non-metals have very low melting point, but graphite and diamond are exceptions because they have high melting point. Next characteristic is density. Non-metals have very low density. Non-metals float on the surface of the water because they have low density. Next characteristics of non-metals is conduction of heat and electricity. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity, but graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Next topic is brittleness. The quality of non-metals in which they are beaten by hammer to change into small fine powder. This is called brittleness.